All right, here I got my Homall gaming chair. I believe is how it's pronounced. I got that black and cyan one. I just really love this color, so this is the one that I chose. Came out great. A couple notes about this. The material, it's got to be some sort of fake leather, but it's really nice. I've had this chair for 2 years now. And as you can see, I got my desk set up here. I also game there. So I kind of use it for work and play, which is great right here because this thing raises it straight up. You can also go straight back. And then of course you got the height adjustment right here. This thing was super easy to put together, which I was super surprised about. I thought it was gonna be a ton of pieces. This pillow is great. This one's also great for back support. It kind of reminds you to correct your posture. So I really like that as well. Overall, this thing has been super reliable to me. I went through a couple chairs. I've had some that basically just got like crickety or started breaking on me. So finally I invested in a good one. And I'm super glad I did because like I said, 2 years with this thing, and every time I sit in it, it feels like a cloud, it feels like it's hugging me. And if I want to get to work, I can get to work. So as you can see, that curved design there, it's great. I love this thing personally. I think it's an amazing addition to your home office. I think you should go get it, honestly. I recommend it highly.